If you're looking to run successful PPC campaigns on Amazon, JungleScout is one of the most powerful tools you can use to streamline your efforts and get the best results. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use JungleScout to set up and optimize your Amazon PPC campaigns so you can boost your sales and get ahead of the competition. First, when you log into JungleScout, head over to the PPC Automation tab. This is where you'll find all the features that allow you to run PPC campaigns on Amazon effectively. JungleScout offers an intuitive, user-friendly interface that lets you create campaigns with just a few clicks, and it helps you manage everything from keyword targeting to bids and budgets. Start by selecting the product you want to advertise. JungleScout makes it easy to connect your Amazon seller account, so once you're linked up, you can pull in all your products and their data. This is where the power of JungleScout really shines. Its database helps you identify profitable keywords and niches that you might not have even thought of. Next, set your campaign type. JungleScout gives you the option of automatic or manual campaigns. For beginners, automatic campaigns are great because they let Amazon do most of the heavy lifting. However, once you're more experienced, you can use manual campaigns to have more control over your targeting. With manual campaigns, you'll be able to select specific keywords and adjust your bids accordingly. To optimize your campaigns, JungleScout's keyword research tool is crucial. By analyzing keyword performance, you can identify high-converting keywords with low competition, which is key for getting the best ROI. The software also provides real-time data, so you can adjust your strategy on the fly based on performance. JungleScout also integrates with your product's sales data, so it can help you calculate your advertising costs and forecast your profits, making it easier to tweak your campaigns to hit your sales targets without blowing your budget. It's all about using data to make smarter decisions, and JungleScout ensures you're not flying blind. One of the standout features of JungleScout is its ability to automate bids. You can set your target ACOS, advertising cost of sale, and JungleScout will automatically adjust your bids to help you hit that target, saving you time and effort. This automation allows you to focus on other important aspects of your business while knowing your PPC campaigns are running efficiently. Now, if you're looking for ways to increase your campaign's effectiveness, JungleScout's negative keywords feature is essential. This allows you to exclude irrelevant search terms that are eating into your budget without generating sales, ensuring your ads are shown to the right audience. Finally, don't forget about JungleScout's robust reporting tools. These give you in-depth insights into your campaign's performance, so you can make data-driven decisions and continually refine your strategy. You'll know exactly where your money is going and which keywords or products are driving the most sales. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know that you can access JungleScout completely for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, you'll get exclusive bonuses when you sign up through this link. This is the best time to start using JungleScout if you want to set up your PPC campaigns on Amazon the right way. To recap, JungleScout's PPC tools help you optimize campaigns through smart keyword research, bidding automation, and in-depth performance analytics, all while saving you time. If you follow this guide, you'll be on your way to running successful PPC campaigns on Amazon in no time. Don't miss out on your exclusive free trial and bonus. Click the link below to get started today.